All right, guys. T's been wanting a PS5. She wants me to get her a PS5. This is a secret. She doesn't know that I'm making this video right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make her a challenge. If she completes the challenge, we're gonna get her a PS5. But more than likely, this might be an ongoing video. So shh, stay tuned. T.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
I have a challenge for you.
What is that?
So you want a PS5, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so we got a challenge for you to win a free PS5. Ooh. If you get it right.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty, naughty.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Do you think you up to it?
Yeah.
You think you can handle it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is all you have to do. Draw a square with only 3 lines.
Draw a square with only 3 lines.
With only 3 lines. Okay?
Okay.
If you do this, you get a PS5.
Okay.
It's simple, right? Free.
Yeah.
We'll go today right now.
Okay.
If you can draw a square with only 3 lines.
Two. And this does the rest.
No.
Why? It's a square.
Huh?
It's a square.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
This has its own top.
No. It has to be, you have to draw a square in the center.
You didn't say that.
I'm telling you, the rules. That's not it.
Yeah, you
I'm telling, hey, go.
in the middle.
In the middle.
You serious?
That's not a square.
Kinda it is.
I don't need a kinda. You kinda got that PS5 then.
Three. It can be done.
I'll do this for you. You can either give up now and lose the PS5, or you can ask one other person for help. And if they do it, you still win it for free.
Kia.
Kia?
Yeah.
Let's go see if my sister can help you out. T, we got you, my sister.
I got you, homie.
Yes.
So she's gonna help you. So the rules are simple. She gets to hold the dog.
Yes. Okay.
So I need you to draw a square with only 3 lines.
3 lines
With only 3 lines.
and a square.
Yeah, has to be in the center.
Wait, I didn't do it.
Only 3 lines. Draw a square with 3 lines.
That's a rectangle. Oh, damn it. No. That's 3 lines.
Yeah,
How many chances I get?
until you want to give up.
Okay, because that's about to happen.
All right. So, T,
So did you mean it like this? A square and 3 lines?
Perfect.
she saw it.
All right. Yes. All right. I love it.
So you
Yes.
didn't this before?
No.
Nope.
How long
You
have you
wasn't-
guys been doing this?
Just for a bit.
I was like, you're really doomed because the square definitely has 4. So
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Aw, look at me.
Thank you.
We did it.
Thank you.
That's your
welcome.
sin.
Yeah.
And she was just about to give up too.
I was literally about to.
Thank you, Lord.
Yay,
Thank you.
we did it, Chloe.
Yes.
We did it.
Yay.
My mom smart.
Very. Thank you, Kiki.
You're welcome.
Love it.
So this is just a bonus. My sister already solved the answer because she's a cheater. Let's see if my mother could do it. Draw a square with only 3 lines.
Yeah.
Nope, that's not a square.
There's a line right there.
That's not a square.
That's a square.
That's not a square.
I'm victorious.
She clearly won the challenge.
Yes, I did.
Okay,
Good
so
help.
how do you feel about winning this challenge?
victorious, of course, and happy. I get a PS5.
You get a free PS5, right? You feel good about that? Well, I'm the game master. We can't make it that easy.
No, that is not what we agreed upon, sir.
Let's see if you can win the next challenge.
Yeah, I still get my PS5 though, right?
If you win the next
No,
challenge.
no.
I'm the game master. All right, let's see what else evil, creative challenge that we can come up with. Stay tuned. She's angry.
Emotional, damn it!
Because that's not originally in the rules.
It's not, but I'm the villain of this video.
I'm gonna punch you.
Well, leave a like for this villain. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you thought about the video. Tell us if we should do another challenge for T.
He's such a cheater. He's such a cheater.
Share this video, show it to everybody. We're coming up with another challenge. And guys, if you want T to do something creative, a creative challenge, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. Like, tell us the title of the YouTube video and we'll look it up. Or send it to us on our Instagram page, which you can see here. This is my Instagram page. All right? Or you can send it to us on Twitter.
Either or.
Pick one. Send us a challenge and I'll have T do it. Don't worry, she won't see. No spoilers. She won't know about it. The most creative one wins. Look forward to the next video. All right, that's the journey to the PS5.